1, 2, 3. This is automatic label dispenser with Bartek serving head. This is a brand new machine, brand new technology from Robotech and Nextron, which are the sister companies together. We would like to show you the operation of the machine in 1 second. Çalıştıralım. Ali Bey, çalıştırabiliyor muyuz makineyi? Tabii. Beyefendi videoyu çekecek. With this machine, for any shirts or jackets, all these different labels will go on with one operation. Front side is on the side. Bak bunlar dönüyor böyle yana doğru. Belki buna böyle bir şey takmak lazım. Bak kayıyor. Ha. Bu kaç kişinin işini yapar? 4 kişinin işini yapar. This machine on its own can do the work of at least 4 operators, which saves you from labor cost, electricity on 4-5 machines, and it guarantees you perfect production quality. This is a brand new production of Robotech. As per request to our customers, we have recently have orders to deliver 30 units of the same machine.
What's the production capacity per hour?
Saat günde kaç tane yapıyor bu? Katalogda yazıyordur. Bir dakika. This can do up to 9,500 pieces in 8 hours. In garments technology, it's about daily 8 hours calculation.